Hi, I'm Greta Frederick Hartice, and welcome to the Green and Gold Village, also known as GGV. I live in Griffin A. So we use key cards to get in. We have the main entrance with the back porch and the stairs up on the side. We have 2 floors to our lounge area. Downstairs we have another basement, which people use for studying or just hanging out. Each GGV building has the same layout with basement with the laundry room, the lounge with some dorms and the RA and the kitchen, and then boys floor and then girls floor. So here's our kitchen. Made a few brownies, lots of ramen. Let's see what's in our fridge actually. I wonder how much of it is good. I have my own fridge, which I got with the school. I rented it from them. I use that way more than anything down here. I definitely do wash my dishes down here though. Definitely do that. Everywhere in GGV, I believe, goes to Eagle F for any dishes, anything extra that our kitchen might not have. The brownie pan, I don't have one. So I went there, took it, used it, it's right there. Let's go on downstairs. Only stairs, we don't have any elevators, which it's an old building, that's fair. You can hear everything. All the walls are pretty thin, I'm not gonna lie. I call to my neighbors through the walls. So here's our lounge. We do have some basement parties here sometimes. Oh, the puzzle, we did a puzzle at the beginning of the fall semester. We have a little note behind here, so if you live in Griffin A, you can somehow take it off. I won't tell you how. Most of the furniture, I think, is in all the dorms, but be wary of which one you sit on. Someone peed on one of ours, I don't know which one. My RA sleeps on the red one back there. Our TV usually works. Here's our laundry room. As you can see, there are 35 people that live in this tower alone. So we all share one washer, one dryer, but that's never really been an issue. You usually just text in the group chat saying, hey, someone finished their laundry, go pick it up. I go to CAF quite often and I'm on the soccer team, so the fields are right over there, very short walk. If you go to the gym, like my roommate, very close walk as well. Kaplan for basketball games, and during orientation, very close walk. Sadler's right down the road. I love using the trails. That's how I get to most of my classes. And Sunken Gardens is a little bit of a walk, but once you're there, you just hang out, relax, and it's always a good time. Down here, we do have restrooms, so if you have guests from other dorms, they can come use this. I'm 6'1". People don't usually use it. Every building is connected in the stairwell, so that was Griffin A. This is Griffin B. We have our lounge. This is the other side, which is technically the front, but I don't usually go out this way. That was to CAF and Kaplan. Here's Griffin B's lounge. They're all the same, just different layouts. Theirs is much cleaner than ours. Here's the boys B floor. Here's my floor with Griffin A girls. And then up there is Griffin B girls. Each floor, except for the first floor, has a U shape with 16 residents on it. I don't think anyone has gotten onto the roof yet. So here's my room. Provided by the school are the beds, the little nightstands there, the desk, the chair, these wardrobes, and these dressers. Funny thing about GGV, the walls are cut off halfway, so if you, it doesn't go all the way up, so I can easily yell, Sydney! So you hear a lot of what your neighbors are talking about. There is a number of alcohol bottles that are all empty from the frat days. They're all in the ceiling. One girl left us a note in a bottle somewhere in our ceiling, so we'll add to that. If you get 3 or 4 in Griffin A. And the critters, we have lots of little friends in the walls. Beginning of the year, we had ants, lots of ants. It's just kind of life. We have raid, we have ant traps. It's just fantastic. We don't have AC, bring fans, like that one, Taylor fan. Earlier, I was gonna say, some people have used Griffin B's washer and dryer. They did not like it, so stay to your own washer and dryer. The windows, yes. We can open our window. Not every room has 2 windows, and not every room opens their windows. Like, they can't get it open. If you're close with everyone here, fan out, make some new friends. You get very close, and sometimes you need a little break. Two showers, two toilets, four sinks. Since they are hall bathrooms, people leave stuff. But I also feel like this isn't a bad hall bathroom because like you don't see other people from the other side. Like in Yates, maybe there's a long hallway and like you're running in your towel. True, very true. There's alcohol in the ceilings. The rooms are small and the lounges are big so that everyone can hang out together. And the basements are quiet for parties. Probably true. I have yet to run into any, but I'm sure they're there. Very true. False. Definitely false. Bada's hot, worse than ours. At least we have community. They have the same insects, they have the same bugs. We have friends. Fact. Generally fact. Come on by. So if you live here, thanks for stopping by. Check it out.